Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to resize a video in Capcut. First thing you do is to open your Capcut, open up your Capcut app on your mobile phone. So next you tap on new project. So you choose the video you want to resize. This is this video. Tap on add. So next you tap on the video, like these two highlighted, and at the bottom here you go and you see the option for transform. This is the option, tap on transform. So this is how you can resize the video. You can tap on resize here. Then you can use the aspect ratio custom, the different ones, 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, but you can just use the custom one, which makes you do it yourself. So let me discard these changes so I can do it myself. Tap on resize again, and then I can now decide to make it like this if I want. Then tap on the mark on the top and your video is resized. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.